do a super easy, beginner-friendly puff vinyl project. I'm using Extreme Fonts Little League, and it is a multi-layer font. I already wrote what I wanted it to say, and then I'm gonna bring my letter spacing down to 0 because I want this to be really tight. That's more like what I want. And then I'm gonna go to curve, and I'm gonna drag this little slider just a little bit to give it a little bit of that curved look. Okay, so we've got it how we want it. We're gonna go ahead and click save, and then I'm gonna move over to my phone to actually cut the project. Okay, so we are here. We're gonna click my projects. There it is. And then we can go ahead and click make it because we've already customized it how we want. We are going to mirror it because this is puff vinyl. Next, we're gonna select the maker. So under our material settings, we're actually gonna go to all materials and we're gonna search for the flocked iron-on setting. Now we are ready to load it on our mat. I'm going to place our puff vinyl shiny side up, down on the mat. As a side note, I actually think a strong grip mat works best for puff vinyl, but I don't have one right now. So we're gonna use the regular and we're just gonna tape down the edges to make sure it doesn't peel up while it's cutting. Now we're gonna set our heat press to 285 and we're gonna press for 10 seconds. Okay, first we're gonna preheat our sweatshirt. Then we lay down our puff. And then we're gonna press it one time with firm pressure. Oh, it's looking good. The puff. That is beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful.